So over here we got another episode going on at Mr. Green's ranch. What seems to be the problem?
Change the water.
How often do you have to change the water?
Pecans need water.
Is that why they're so expensive?
Yeah.
How much are they a pound, more or less?
15 bones.
15 bones? And those people that take you literally, you mean dollars, US dollars?
Yeah, look, every little leaf is a pecan.
Where?
You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pecans just in that little.
So are these the ones like from the war?
These are good pecans. They're round in a thin shell.
What's wrong with the oval ones?
The shell is too hard. It tastes good, but you also break your teeth when you try to.
Is that what happened to you?
Yeah.
I thought you told me that's what happened when the shrapnel hit you.
No, that was my back. You can see I can barely bend over. Shrapnel, Vietnam.
Then
Chinks.
something about Agent Orange too.
Yeah, I got Agent Orange too.
Is that why you have what you have right now?
Yeah. You see this hat?
Yeah.
It protects my head from Agent Orange.
So is there a reason why you have a hole in your pants?
That's for Agent Brown. What else is there? More weeds. Oh, surprise.
Any suggestions for the viewers?
APT period stands for
Apartment?
exactly. Let somebody else worry about maintenance.
You mean you don't like home ownership and the equity you build in your home?
This is when I used to work for the railroad. You see?
Yeah.
It's a gas lantern. I used to walk the tracks at night. I used to carry that.
What were you looking for at night?
For broken spikes. And you saw the one I had over there.
Yeah.
I had my own hammer. Broken spike, I take it out by myself and put it back in.
So they only had
More
enough.
OSHA approved electricity. Look at this. Fine work.
So as a railroad watchman, did you ever see anything interesting like dead animals or people trying to rob a train?
No. Just,
Like a solar light. So does that job still exist that you have?
nope. Yeah. Nice white rock. Comes the beaners. Look at the stove. I used to cook a whole deer in this thing.
A whole deer?
Yeah.
Would you cut it up first?
Nope, just took the whole thing in there. Yeah, pots and everything in there. I used to cook my beans.
Your beans with deer?
Yeah.
Did you ever get beef jerky?
Nope. Yes, no. Anyway, nice timer going on here. Turn it on.
So how many deer have you cooked in here?
At least 3. When I was walking the railroad tracks, I just killed myself. They'd be on the track, so either they get killed by the train or by me. So I'd kill them, put them on here. I used to carry this on my back, just in case the deer came across.
But you had a shrapnel injury though, right?
Yeah.
So that and the shrapnel injury is why your back hurts now?
Yeah,
So are these the antlers?
yeah. These are the antlers I had on the deer. Look at this. They're fossilized by now. These are the gloves I used to use. Look at these babies. They're worn out like crazy. These are the wheels I used to use on my my wheelbarrow to carry the deer. Okay. This is my coffee pot. Used to lay it on here.
What about Uncle Jay's stove? What does he have to say about that?
This one?
The little one he has.
Oh, my uncle?
Yeah, Uncle Jay.
He needs a new one. That's why I'm gonna give him that barbecue grill. He'll bedazzle it. Be good. Here's what I used to serve the deer on. This platter.
Is that what that is right there? Deer?
Yeah, this is the barbecue sauce. I used to put the barbecue sauce on deer with this.
Yeah.
A nice roller.
Yeah.
The barbecue sauce goes in here. Roll it right on the deer. You say life was good back then. Not like nowadays. You can't even do that. You kill a deer, you got that PETA or whatever on your ass. So this is history right here. Making, please. You don't find those anymore.
Anything else for the viewers?
What do you got up here? More OSHA approved wiring. Look at this. Doesn't get any better than that.
That carpet on the side?
These are the spikes I used to use for the corn on the cob that I used to use with my deer. Just put one on each side.
How big was the corn?
Back then, they were not like these little miniature ones. Back then, they were like this.
Yeah.
Just pretend that there was a corn on the cob there. It's a whole meal by
With
itself.
some butter and
Yeah.
salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Roasted on the open flame. That tastes pretty good.
My old pots and pans.
Is that for your beans?
Yeah.
That's the can you were talking about
Mm-hmm.
that you used to use?
Yep.
When was the last time you were back here? Like 35 years ago?
This actually was the restroom when I bought this house. The cesspool goes here.
Is that from when you were practicing with the BB gun right there? That hole?
Allegedly. Of course, mother started her job and she never finished it. Maybe next weekend.
So anything else for the viewers? You signing out?
That's a little bit. That's just a little bit of history for you guys. What I had to go through.
So Vietnam, the shrapnel,
Agent Orange.
Agent Orange,
The buffalo,
hunting the deer.
The buffalo meat. I mean, the deer meat I used to cook in there. The buffalo meat is another. We'll get into that edition later on. The buffalo meat. This is the deer meat section. I used to carry the buffalo in that wheelbarrow right there.
and then you had your milk in there too?
Yeah, the quarts of milk. And then here's the chimes. This is what I used to call the buffalo with. Right here, I used to, and the wind like that, and the buffalo would come. Easy prey, easy pickings.
Where the buffalo roamed,
Yeah,
just like the song?
they roamed for the last time when they got to me.
Is that it?
And I didn't use a gun. I just used that shovel right there. When they got closer, looking to see what that was, I just hit them over the head with it, with the shovel, and boom, down they went. Down they went into the oven.
And you never went hungry.
No. That's what I used to do to crush my beer cans. Oh, there's this thing I've been looking for. Sandra's been hiding it out on me.
I didn't. Oh, there's sight.
It goes right here.
All right. Anything else for the viewers?
No, that's it.
All right. Like, comment, subscribe,
Yeah.
and see you on the next one.
We got history when I was killed a buffalo. History when I was eating the deer meat that I killed myself. When I used to work the railroads with the lantern. What more do you want? This is the Discovery Channel right here.
All right. See you later.
Yeah.
All right. Bye.